Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Airtm account. So if you also want to create Airtm account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome, or you can also open Airtm application on your mobile. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in airtm.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Airtm. You can see several options over here. If you already have an account, you can directly click on login option and log into your account. If you want to create account, what you have to do is click on join us option that you can see right over here. Or you can also click the join us button right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to select your country, click on this box. You can see country options over here. Simply select your country. Now choose the account type. There are two options, personal and business. Click on the account type that you want to choose. After that, click on the continue button that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can either create an account with your Google, Facebook or Apple, or you can also sign up with your email. Here I'm clicking on the Google option. This kind of pop-up will appear. You'll have to choose an account. Click on the account that you want to choose. Click on the confirm. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Your account has been created. If you want to complete your profile, click on the option complete profile. You can see over here you'll need to provide your profile information over here. You'll have to fill in your first name, your last name. If you have a second last name, you can also fill in. Now fill in your address line 1 and address line 2. Now also fill in the city. Again, select the country where you live in. You can see options over here. After that, you'll have to select your state and postal code. Now enter your phone number. Select the country code. Now enter your phone number. After that, you'll have to select your birthday. Click on the day option. Select the day. Now click on the month option. Select the month. Now click on the date option and select your year. Now you can also enter the email or username of the person who invited you to create this account. After that, simply click on complete registration. Now your personal informations are also completed. Your ATM account is already created, but you can definitely proceed to upload a profile picture and then also verify your number for additional security. So that is how you create ATM account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.